In the last class, we have seen simple Spring Boot application. In that Spring Boot application, we developed simple REST API. We called from the browser. Let us revive. In any of the project, three important files or three important places. First one, POM.xml. In the POM.xml, mainly we need to consider Spring Boot version, Java version, and all the dependents, whatever dependents are there. This is the Spring Boot version. This is the Java version. This is the dependency. One dependency. In the same project, we observed the second very important is application.properties. Under application.properties, fourth number, some kind of application specific configuration. Then the third location, Java. com.lara.package name. Inside that, there is a default file. We made this file as a REST controller, and we developed one simple REST API. We made a call to that API by using this URL. It's very simple. I can say like a hello world. Now, let us see. There is a concept command line runner. What is command line runner? What it is to in the same application, go to the application class, implements command line runner. It is a functional interface. It contains only one method. Command line runner containing only one method. That method is a run method. That run method. Totally three methods are there in the application class. One is a main method, second one is a run method, third one is API method, which we have developed in the last class. This command line runner should be imported. You can see. Command line runner. It is an interface. It is containing one method. Same got implemented. Now totally three methods are there. Main method for execution purpose. We developed a run method and we developed even REST API. Let me run this application. Let us see what kind of output we will be seeing while running. Control F11. You can say app from run, app started. We got even run method output also while running the application. While starting the application, even run method executing. Please come to the application class. Application class main method. While executing main method, we are calling run method. This run method is from Spring application. This run method internally calling run method of your application. That is this run method. Spring application run method taking application class as an input. If this application class is a type of command line runner, then from this application class, run method is executed. Creating an object to application class, calling run method. Automatically taking care inside a run method of Spring application. I repeat one more time. While executing this class, main method executing, main method giving a call to run method from Spring application by supplying our application class as an input. In the run method of Spring application, it is calling run method of app1 application if app1 application is a type of command line runner. If it is a type of command line runner, then giving a call to run method from this class. That is this. Please observe command line runner automatically executing while starting an application. While starting an application, this run method executing automatically. We are executing main method through control F11. Main method calling run method of Spring application. Run method of Spring application internally creating an object to our application class and calling run method. So for the Spring application run method, we are supplying two arguments. It is a command line argument. This command line argument, you can see main method argument. Same main method argument internally supplying to the run method of current class from the body of the run method of Spring application. Very simple. We are running this program. While running this program, command line arguments. Same command line arguments we are supplying to run method of Spring application. Come on. In the body of the run method of Spring application, it is calling run method on our application. That is this run method. While calling run method, same command line arguments here supplying. You can make use of command line arguments here. That is why it's called as a command line runner. Let me supply some command line arguments. Let us stop the application. For loop. Print the command line arguments if at all you are supplying in the run method. How to supply command line arguments while running in the Eclipse? How to supply command line arguments? Run as, run configurations. Right click on your application class. Go to run as, run configurations. Now you can see arguments. Program arguments are nothing but command line arguments. You can supply any number of command line arguments. Hello space 123 space ABC space XYZ. By using space as a separator, we can supply any number of command line arguments. Now go for apply and run. Apply. You can see all command line arguments. Through command line runner, we can use command line arguments very easily. In down the line, we will be using command line runner in order to perform any activities while starting an application. While starting an application, if you want to do something, then you can use command line runner.